Okay, it's time. The brand new Note 10 has arrived. I might be late to the game, but I'm in the game. Brand new, sealed. Got a case to hold me off. It's a unicorn Beetle. We'll open that too. Let's get this bad boy open. See what we got in the box. Don't want to come loose. I bought it off of Swappa. Brand new, sealed, 850 bucks. Got a AT&T SIM card. Doesn't have the books and shit in the top like some of the unboxings I've seen. Let's set this here and see what else we got in the box. Nothing there. There's your books and shit. Got a fast charger. Assume that's a 25 watt. This is an AT&T version. I'm not even sure if it's got the headphones. Yep, there you go. You got AKG headphones, a USB-C. Would you look at there? Oh, that's a converter, yeah. And you got your tips and changer, usual stuff. It's a little bit different presentation with this AT&T than some of the unboxings that I've seen. Well, let's see. This is the unit itself. Love that sound. Oh, nothing but black. I'm a black kind of guy. I'm taking this cheap screen protector off, or not screen protector, but whatever. But it's still got the one on there. Well, if you can see this, but there's still a screen protector left on there. Boy, it feels great in the hand. Let me get this. Put that out of the way there. Fingerprint magnet for sure. See if we got any juice. No power button on the right. Where's it at? Oh my. It's over here. You got two buttons. It's clean up top. Clean on the bottom. Still got plastic. I'll leave that there for the time being. See what kind of juice we got. There we go. She's coming alive. It's a Note freaking 10. Don't you love it? I do. I love it. I've had every Note except for one. I had 2, 3, had several 3s, 4, 5. Wasn't real a fan of 5. Had the 7, but of course I got 2 of them and still they took it back. That was one of the best phones ever at that time. Mine never gave a problem, but they had to take it back. Let's see what this Beetle case looks like. It's the Supcase Beetle Unicorn. I've had one of these before on a Galaxy S9 a couple years ago. And then they started with them BS screen protectors, and I didn't like them, but this one supposedly don't have it. Never used that thing, but whatever. Yeah, this looks pretty solid. Pretty solid. Very hard. It's got a kickstand. I can get it out. There you go. The kickstand, you gotta lock it in place. I don't know if it'll hold like that, but definitely like that. It's very, very solid case. Very solid. Not sure exactly how to get this. Oh, I think you got this little rubber stuff. Well, I'll work on that, get that to get that put together. But you can see the case clicks in place. Looks like it'll be a good fit. It's got a lot of very hard case, very hard. I'm talking hard, very hard. All right, I'm gonna get this thing cranked up. I'll come back with a little bit of extra.